Good afternoon or good evening. Dave here, coming at you from the very first time being used for this camera. This is the camera, the GoPro Hero 9. This is the first video that I'm making with this GoPro Hero 9. So although the resolution is not that high right now, I prefer to just keep it low until I can break it in. I'm trying out the front screen, and it looks nice. It looks okay. Now I know that I can level myself to the camera, because back with the GoPro Hero 8, I had an issue where suddenly I was talking and then my face went off screen, and then it came back, and then my face went off screen again and came back. So that was a major issue with the GoPro Hero 8. It hasn't happened with this one naturally, because now I can realign myself and be looking at myself through the front screen, and I think it looks pretty good. Even though I have not removed the tape, I'm gonna put the camera in the mirror. I have not removed the tape from the front yet. It's still a virgin camera. I would feel sorry that I would have to remove the tape right now. It's not really bothering anyone, so still I noticed that the screen turned off right now, but I think it's got the screensaver. I think they only give about a minute or so, maybe 2 minutes. Anyways, I'm gonna try this video out real quick. I'm gonna download it to my phone, and I'm gonna see how it looks like. It's actually a 1080p, but still, let's see how it looks like on 1080p. I haven't tried the 5K yet. I'm gonna download this small portion, add it to the main video, since I want to see the difference between revolutions. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, now this is a different resolution. I keep confusing the word. 2.7K at 60 frames per second on Super View is how it would look like on this one. Now, you're not going to actually tell the difference. You're not going to actually be able to see the difference if you're on an iPhone in comparison to a home computer or a tablet or even a television set. I think where you can actually see the difference is on a television set that has LED in it. You might be able to see the difference on the types of resolutions. I think I'm saying that word right. Anyways, this is 2.7K at 60 frames per second in Super View. I'm going to upload this part to my phone, and then I'm going to switch it over to another resolution. All right, now this is a different resolution. I keep confusing the word. 2.7K at 60 frames per second on Super View is how it would look like on this one. Now, you're not going to actually tell the difference. You're not going to actually be able to see the difference if you're on an iPhone in comparison to a home computer or a tablet or even a television set. I think where you can actually see the difference is on a television set that has LED in it. You might be able to see the difference on the types of resolutions. I think I'm saying that word right. Anyways, this is 2.7K at 60 frames per second in Super View. I'm going to upload this part to my phone, and then I'm going to switch it over to another resolution. Okay. Let's get the camera a little bit further away from me. This is 4K. It's gonna be 4K at now I changed it. It used to be a 4K at 30 frames per second. I changed it to 60 frames per second, so I can keep it all at 60. And I know that that's not gonna be possible anyways. But right now it's at 60 frames per second. Give me a warning about HEV something, playback something. Anyways, this is how it would look like on 4K, 60 frames per second, Super View also. So we're gonna download this into the phone, and then we're gonna try the newest one coming up in just a bit. All right, so this is the premium version of the GoPro Hero 9. This would be the 5K. Now I tried to bring it up to 60 frames per second, but it wouldn't let me, so it had to stay the maximum of 30 frames per second. And this is how it would look like on 5K, 30 frames per second, and it's not Super View, now it's just wide view only. And that's how it would show. So I'm going to compile all these videos together and make a small presentation.